Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to clean up useless files from Windows 10. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Disk Cleanup tool by searching for it in the Start menu or by right-clicking on your hard drive and selecting Properties, and then Disk Cleanup. The tool will scan your system for unnecessary files and give you a list of items to delete. Check the boxes next to the files you want to delete and click OK. Step 2. Another way to free up space is to uninstall programs you no longer use. Go to Settings, then Apps, and select the program you want to uninstall. Click on Uninstall and follow the prompts. Step 3. Press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type %temp% and press Enter. Select all files and folders in the folder that opens. Press the Delete key on your keyboard. Step 4. Repeat this step, but this time, type temp and press Enter. Select all files and folders, and then press the Delete key on your keyboard. Step 5. Empty the recycle bin to permanently delete the files you have deleted. Right-click on the recycle bin icon on your desktop and select Empty Recycle Bin. And that's it. You have successfully cleaned up useless files from your Windows 10 computer. Regularly cleaning up your system can help it run smoother and faster. Thanks for watching.